Welcome back, everyone. How we all doing today? How we all doing? Let me know in the chat. What's going on, Bill? What's going on, Grandpa Rogers? Another day trading day. ES Futures, 2000 tick chart. And we're only using the 21-day EMA. Pure price action. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Another day, another dollar, as they say. Definitely just in a concise range. Only about 7 to 8 points from the highs to the lows. But we do have a news announcement in 15 minutes and another one in 30 minutes. So it could just be a little sideways until then, but we'll see what the market gives us, as always. We don't discriminate. So basic things to watch out for. If we are in a healthy range, we just were at the highs, we went to the lows. Most likely scenario, we're going back to the highs. So let's see. But right now we're just in the middle. So it's pretty much no man's land, the no trade zone right now. Definitely no trade zone. So regarding where we are at the daily, I mean, if we're just playing the last several weeks as just a range, we're pretty much just in the middle of that range. So I think we could definitely trade down to that 4100 level. We didn't quite get there yesterday. We went to 4105. I think if we test the 4100s, we either might bounce there or just keep working lower, but something to watch. Maybe happens today, maybe it doesn't, but something to keep in mind. Rosales, good morning. Thomas Skinner, how you doing? How you doing? Good morning. Flow bots, good morning. Hey, you saved me yesterday. I appreciate it. Thanks to the UK trader as well. Shout out to the UK trader. I'm gonna send him a little comment right now on his YouTube. That's what I should do. Saved the stream yesterday. Replicanto trade copier. In one day, they gave me my personal affiliate code too. So if you guys saw what happened yesterday, I was using the Apex trade copier, but something happened. Some issues were going on. I think it might have been something to do with people hacking the server. But anyway, midstream had to switch to Replicanto, and they came to the rescue. So if you want 10% off Replicanto trade copier, you can trade multiple accounts. I mean, with one click. Feel free to use my code MUMU10. Hey, there you go, Rosales. All right, cherish those PAs, The best thing you can do is take your time with the PA accounts. Don't rush into anything. Don't blow it in 2 days. Just relax. Trade it the same way you were trading the valuation account. Whatever you need to do to just have slow, methodical, consistent profits. So pure sideways right now. Definitely don't want to get into any of this. But we're trying to go back to the bottom side of the range at least. It appears that way, but it could just be a trap setting up for us to eventually come back, test the high. So let's see. Good morning. Squeeze, Mr. James, Toad Man. There we go. How y'all doing? How y'all doing on this beautiful morning? Grim. You having a grim morning, Grim, or are you having a great morning? Good morning from Alberta, Mr. F. Zen. Manifest button fully liked. The manifest button. I like it. You hit that like button, you'll manifest some good things for you. Send some good energy my way and back at you yourself. That's how it works. Alright, pure sideways. Definitely best to not trade anything right now. So we'll just do some ad libs. Maybe we start freestyling. We've done that before. Can we replicate what we have done in the past and make it a blast from the past? Replicantos in the building with the trade copier. We don't know what to do, but we want to, I don't know what rhymes with trade copier. I was trying to find a rhyme. Trade copier. Her. Greg. Mr. Greg Martin. Good morning. Okay, we did trade up into this trading range, but when all's said and done, it might just be that we have a wider term range. This is about 14 points of a range, so nothing much at all. What's up, Nutty Bar? How you doing, Nutty Bar? Good morning, Rin, and yes, as Greg says, I mean, this is what you ask for. Beautiful array of nicely sideways bars that don't go anywhere. Beautiful, really. I love when the price action is like this. So many trade opportunities. And we're in the middle of it as well. We're not even at the bottom. So that's even better. ¿Cómo estás, Gonzalo? Great game yesterday. Man, don't even talk to me about that game. The Warriors, I ended up getting those tickets. I got those tickets last minute. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna spend the money. I'm gonna spend the money on some Warriors tickets. How many times am I gonna be able to say later on in life that I got to see LeBron James go against Steph Curry, go against Anthony Davis, going against Klay Thompson? But game one, Lakers pulled the win. Unfortunately for me, because I'm a Warriors fan. But we'll get them back. We'll get them back tomorrow. Quick turnaround. Let's go. Always taking inspiration from those games. All right, I want to be a champion just like them. What do I got to do? Stay focused, laser focused. In the day trading game, same thing. You want to be the best? The only way to make it in this day trading game, you have to be better than 90% of other traders. How are you going to do that? By luck? No. By your mindset? Partly. A big part. Your daily habits? 100%. How you bounce back from losses? 100%. How you manage winning trades? 100%. How you stick to your rules and what you know you should be doing? 100%. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nutty Bar, I'm sticking with Replicanto. Replicanto trade copier. Why not? So yeah, if I place a trade right now, it'll basically be copied to 20 accounts instantly. Revenge tomorrow. Yes, sir, Gonzalo. Yes, sir. Game one is a feel out game. Always. All right. So we're about 12 minutes into the market. Definitely some exciting things have happened so far. Not really, but we wait. It could happen in an instant. Mr. Nutty Bar Trading. All right. I want to start some freestyling again. Let's do it. Maybe I need to start putting some music in this stream too. We'll see. Up to the YouTube community, as always. Nava, you make beats for fun, alright? Alright? I like that. I like that plan. I'm going to your channel right now. Nava, what happened to your channel? It says you have 230 subs, but you got no content. You don't post it. But what did you post to get 200 plus subs? Oh, Bill, man, your Maple Leafs lost last night. I don't follow hockey too much, but it's alright. If we trade well, we'll send some good energy their way. It'll help them. Give them some good luck. Oh, you used to make COD videos back in the day. Alright. Those were the days. Modern Warfare 2, baby. Whew. It's my childhood right there, man. All right, so this is an interesting scenario right now. So in ranges, I mean, when you're trading price action or looking for two-legged pullbacks, second entries, you might see this, and exactly what just happened with this bar is exactly why you don't look for second entries and just take it without any context. So like, say you have a second entry indicator right now. If you're counting from this new low, we went up, we went down. That was a first entry short. So one leg up, first entry short, another leg up. You see this bearish bar. All right, second entry short, let's go short. The reason you don't want to do that is because you have to take the overall context into consideration. First of all, where should we be headed? We're at the bottom of the range. We should be headed to the top. So my bias is in that direction. Second of all, we're in the middle of the range, so you don't want to take trades there. And that's exactly what happened. So that was a trap right there. And we're going up. What's going on, Albin? How you doing? How you doing? What's up? What's up? And yeah, as Lee is stating, we got news at 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 Eastern. And then we do have a FOMC statement in about 4 hours, though, 11 a.m. Pacific. Alright, but basically, the range is behaving kind of like how we expect a range to behave. I do think we might have a push all the way to the very high of the day, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how accurate my crystal ball is today. Mr. Josh, good morning, good morning. Glad to see some new faces up in here. I like it. I like it. Gives me a feeling that I'm not alone out here, man. And I'm sure I do the same thing for anyone out there trading solo and just want some entertainment. Someone else doing the same thing they're doing. But we got some new subscribers yesterday. We got like 30 subscribers yesterday. So we're getting, man, we're about to blow up. Come on, YouTube. Let's get 1,000 people in this live stream. Does that ever happen to people where they just randomly get their live stream pumped and they just have a massive inflow of people all at once? That would be crazy. Albin, you were one of them. I know. That's what I'm saying. We're rolling, Rin. We're rolling, Rin, because we're gonna win. We don't do nothing but win. All we do is win because we're a champion. We don't take no for an answer. We flip the script and we become a dancer if we want to. We do whatever we want to because that's who we are. We don't come from the same jaw. We're not cut from the same cloth because we're a boss. We do it big because that's all we know. All we know is how to win. That's all we do. Let's start with some likes, baby. Mr. Josh. So yeah. Basically, I didn't take any course, didn't pay for any course. I started out several years ago learning price action from Mac, from price action trading system. So Pat's Trading is the YouTube channel. And then, I don't know, maybe like, I don't know when I started watching, but I started watching Thomas Wade maybe a year and a half ago. And I think he's a good teacher. But I mean, I say this every day. No matter who you're going to learn from, what you watch, what price action, or any other method you're trading, every individual is going to be different when it comes to, even if you're following a certain system, you're going to see the market a certain way compared to other people. You're going to end up taking much different trades, but that's where I initially learned from. All right. Looks like my crystal ball was correct. So we came back, tested the high, had an exact double top. So let's see if we trade back down or if we have a little breakout. Can't go wrong with Mac and Thomas, indeed. But honestly, once you're advanced a little bit and have a lot of trading under your belt, I think then it's better to watch some of Mac's videos, because if you're starting out and start watching all of his videos and seeing all these setups, it can get confusing because a lot of the time they don't really follow his rules. Like, he'll mark some not great signal bars. He'll kind of glance over a lot of trades. Thomas Wade, I like the fact that he goes bar by bar. That's why I tried to mirror. I mean, ever since I started live streaming, I haven't really posted many other videos, but the videos that I posted, most of them tried to replicate like a Thomas Wade style where you would go bar by bar, explain the thought process as you're going along the chart as if it were live, but that's basically what I'm doing while I'm live streaming. I think, honestly, the best way to learn is watch someone trading live and basically see what that thought process is. So yeah, we're having a breakout. Where are we going? Okay, so if this is one leg up, we had in the overnight, we have another leg. That'll get us to about 41.56. So we'll see if we get there. Will we get there? Who knows? Yeah, exactly, baby squid. Thomas will explain every trade with a little more detail, so I probably, if you're a beginner trader, I would start out watching his videos. What's going on, Bill? Hit me. What's going on? Oh, or are you saying you also can't go wrong with Moo? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yes, sir, Josh. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee. 50 viewers in here. If you guys are new to the channel, just in the past couple days, let me know. Let me know in the comments. If you're new right now, let me know as well. I'm curious. Is there anyone out there right now watching the stream for the first time. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. Should we do a? We'll do a non-formal poll. For anyone, let me know in the comments. When the news hits, will we go down or up? Plus or minus 10 points. Are we gonna go down? What's gonna happen first? Are we gonna go down 10 points from when the news hits, or up 10 points? Up or down? Up or down? Stream first time, Albin. Mr. Albin. Oof. Alright, we already got some conflict. Baby Squid seems to say that we're going up. Albin? He's saying we're gonna dive. Alright, we'll see. Who's gonna be right? Honestly, it's hard to tell. It's really hard to tell. I say we're gonna go down. I say we're gonna go down, but it's 50-50. Just guess. Might as well make it fun. Yeah, but that's another thing. If we did make a measure move, it could be a signal to start going lower. But the thing with measured moves, like say we start trading up again, then we really could just have been a measured move like this. Could have been a measured move from here to here, and then a measured move all the way to like 41.57. That's why you gotta be careful when you're only relying on a measured move. So I honestly, preferably, I really don't even, I mean, I pay attention to them, but I try not to base the measured move as like the number one factor to give me a reason to take a trade. All right, 2 minutes. Really like a minute and a half. And we'll see. We'll see how much this news really affects the market as well. That's another thing. It's good to be careful trying to fit any sort of uptrend like this, because in reality, this wasn't the start of the uptrend. Right here, this area is pure sideways. So if anything, it looks like a parabolic overshoot, but it could just be that it was a nice leg up, 2 legs down to the EMA, first entry long, second entry long. So there's another situation where it could be enticing to go long, could be enticing to look for a trap to go short, but if you're unsure, better to just wait. And yes, as Harimandir is saying, exactly what I was saying about the measure moves. It's not, if you're looking for a measure move, it's not the reason to take a trade, but it can give you a little confirmation to use with other factors and other context clues to take a trade in a given direction. All right, so news just hit. Second entry long triggered. First entry long, second entry long. Probably gonna have definitely gonna have people trapped in either direction. But that's true, yeah. Measured moves or news. It's good to like pump. It's good to pump a little momentum into the market. Just get you to those key levels, definitely faster than without the news. Because as a trader, it's a battle every single day. Just being patient, waiting for the setups. But it's part of the. That's just the name of the game. It's part of the process. It's part of the process. Okay. What's going on now? What's going on? Yeah, another thing Baby Squid is referring to is the FOMC announcement in about 4 hours. Might just be slow movement until then, but we'll see. I hope not. All right, what should we look for? What should we look for in this sideways beautiful movement? So it could be a double trap right here. One leg down, first entry long, another leg down, second entry long, failure, trap, and then we could work higher. Might take this depending on how the... Nah. Not anymore. Not anymore. All right, if we get a lower high, I think we're headed down now. Because when you see a break below the EMA and when we don't reverse up, it's unlikely we're going to keep pushing higher. Obviously, anything can happen right now, but if we get a lower high here, I'll start looking for shorts. Oh, it is a good quality? It is a good quality mic? All right, good. It's just a basic, what's it called? Blue Yeti. Blue Yeti. All right. Do we get a short setup here? Lower high, confirmation of the failed second entry long, first entry long, second entry long, failure. lower high, depending on how this signal bar prints. Still gotta wait. But a tricky position here. I want to see, is there a potential for a wider term uptrend? Remember, what we've been having lately is certain days where there's a lot of price movement, but in the moment it doesn't look too convincing in either direction, but ends up being like a massive uptrend or massive downtrend. I mean, right now it's early, but if we can find a channel that might be valid, it could help. It could help. So let's see. If this is valid, we're right at the midline. Big if though. So we see we're right where the previous high of my range was. See if there's a measure move down now. Depends how you want to draw the measured move. Might be another failed second entry long though. If we count this recent high as like a double top, first entry long, second entry long. So let's see how this plays out. See how this plays out. Are my bars right, Ben? What do your bars look like, Benji? Shit. I don't know. I don't know if my bars are right. Is there a right or wrong? Tough spot right now. I wanna take a short. Okay, we're filled. We're filled to the downside. Failed second entry long from up here. First entry long, second entry long, failure. Was a little sideways. So might be a double trap. But yeah, maybe I don't know, on your chart the bars just look like dojis. Trap to start off the day. Not fun. Not fun. It happens. Now we're really sideways. Maybe second entry short though, Greg. Definitely two sideways. All right, I'm gonna reload. The chart. Let's see, Benji. Well, now on this chart, the trade didn't even trigger. Okay, and now we're a bit early with that move down. So we got, I mean, where were we? It went basically to our stop and then worked down, so it happens. But yeah, now we're having that move down. Jumped on it a little early, but it's all right. It's all right. But it sucks to see when you take a trade, ends up working out just after came back and took your stop. But that's why it's best to just stay out of this sideways. Good morning, one stop. Mr. One Stop. I know. That's what happens, Gonzalo. That's by design. They come take you out, and then it works exactly where you thought it would go. But it's a tricky situation. What I did when I counted from this high, when even I should have been counting from this high, because I counted this as a double top when I really shouldn't have. Got burned. But man, I mean, at least it's good to know that I at least was in tune with where the market should be headed. That's my number one rule. I want to take a trade where I at least am confident in the direction of the trade, where I think the market should be headed. Could just be a range like this. But yeah, if you're too close, they definitely come back, take your stop out a lot of the time. It happens though, it happens. Yeah, just an unfortunate trade. It happens though. But that's why in the long run, like technically I broke my rules by taking this trade because I was counting from this as the new high when I really shouldn't have. But I don't know, sometimes you feel like you can bend the rules a little bit, but in the long run, if your whole system is based on only following a specific set of rules, it's best to only strictly follow those rules. Monday, 10:04 a.m. Let's see. I don't remember that trade. Around here. The difference with a trader and gambler, I'm blaming myself. Yep, you always got to learn the hard way. Oh, I thought you were talking about Eastern time, Ivan. All right. 808, 808. Oh, yeah, right here. Yeah, so similar, but see how this situation is different? Here is a clear double top. One leg down, first entry, second entry long, failure, bam. So I definitely bent the rules by taking this because the new high was up here. We had first entry long, second entry long, failure, and then that was already the failure. I mean, I tried to count from this high, first entry long, second entry long, but you can't really do what I did and expect to work out because I just picked a random, essentially I just picked a random high. I mean, it looked like a double top. We did have a double top here, but the bar before it was technically higher. So it's unfortunate, but it happens. As much as you want to be 100%, it's impossible. Second entry short incoming. Yep. So new low, one leg up, first entry, second entry. But the signal bar would technically be this bullish one. So with my rules, I only take bear signal bars. And I always consider the signal bar to be the highest or lowest point of the swing. This is the highest point, meaning the signal bar would be this big bullish bar. Yeah, maybe double trap, maybe double trap. This is what I like to see. One attempt to go higher, another attempt to go higher, and then a double trap. If we can have a nice bearish bar here. Can we get a nice bearish bar? Not yet, not yet. So essentially, if we take one tick higher, it'll be a second entry short failure because we went up, first entry, we went up again, second entry short. That's why we always use the highest bar as the signal bar. So you would have been trapped right now. If you went short, you're trapped. So all the people who are trying to trap the shorts, they're going long right now. But if the next bar right now turns and then ends up becoming very bearish, it'll be a trap of the trap. So let's see. See if we can get that. Seems like not gonna happen today. Maybe it's time to just work back higher. Could be coming back to test the high of the day. We'll see. We'll see. This is a 2000 tick chart. Yeah, 2000 tick chart, but it does resemble, I mean, depending on the volume of the day, it resembles like a 1 to 2 minute chart. Like let's pull up the 1 minute chart. All right, so this is a 2000 tick again. Let's change it to a 1 minute. So I'll show you right now. So this is the 1 minute chart. It doesn't look as detailed. The bars are a little bigger, a little smaller on the pre-market ones, but it's just a lot of movement. You can't really decipher exactly what's going on. So this is the 1 minute. If we go to the 2000 tick, it just looks a little more nice and neat, a little more detailed. The bars are more similar because per 2000 transactions, all right, I might take this higher low. Then I'll explain. But basically, we have new low, first entry short, second entry short failure. To be a continuation of that. Looks like we have this trend working up. Do we get a bullish signal bar? No. Basically, with a tick chart, you get more consistent looking bars. For the Nasdaq, I don't know if I would recommend a 2000 tick chart for the Nasdaq. Probably it would be a good idea, but I don't know. I have no experience with it, so I can't really say. No problem, no problem. Okay, Andrew uses an 800 tick chart on NQ. So yeah, it's a little different ball game, but I have no experience with it, so I really wouldn't know. Yep, 60 people watching. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. All right. So some confusing price action going on right now. Really just sideways, but probably now working back down to the lows. Thought for a second we'd try to go back up into the range, but we'll see. We'll see where we go. Where do we end up? Okay. Now we're going low. Now we're going lower. Man, so it sucks to have a losing trade when it went in your direction, but move on to the next. Move on to the next. Definitely, I mean, looking back, it's too stacked. It's too stacked to take a trade there. Looked a little different before I reloaded the chart, but still. Still definitely did not need to take that trade. The mindset that I try to focus on is that, like, trading, if you think about it, trading should be easy. If you follow the rules, it should be easy. If you get rid of stress, if stress didn't exist, then trading should be easy because you're just looking for certain setups that follow your rules and you only take the trades that follow your rules. Obviously, you're not a robot. There's emotion involved. there's some subjectivity when the trade is printing live, but if you approach it as if you're just a machine and like you're so in tune with your emotions, you're so in tune with your mental side of things that you just block out all the noise, trading should be easy. So when I'm about to enter a trade, I try to relax as much as possible and think, okay, will I be happy with the outcome of this trade if it goes in either way? Because I'm A, following the rules, B, I'm calm, not worrying about anything, no stress, no intrusive thoughts, anything like that. So this one, I definitely had some hesitation. I knew the bars were a little stacked. I knew I was bending the rules a bit. And in the long run, I try never to bend the rules. That's the goal, to never bend the rules. And it turned out to be a losing trade. So now I'm like, man, all right, just keep following the rules. We'll be solid. Very good day yesterday, following all the rules. So let's do that the rest of the session. Come on now. Come on. What do y'all think about that? Okay, we're slowly creeping down. Could be an overall range like this if we encompass the lows of the day. So another thing to keep in mind. I don't know if we can fit any wide term downtrend. Maybe. But too early. All right, thanks for the advice, B. So you drew the down channel from the first and third swing. So like that. Maybe like that. Yeah, the next bear bar was right off the key entry point. Oh, this one. So you had something like that. Yeah. No, I mean the congestion itself should have just kept me out of the trade. I don't know if that downtrend is even valid, but when I see this many bars in a row, I don't know what I was thinking. There's no reason to force a trade if there's 6 bars stacked. 20 push-ups when I take an L. Not gonna lie, Nikki, I used to have that rule as well. I'm not even joking. Every time I would have a losing trade that broke my rules that I knew I shouldn't have taken, I literally would go do some pull-ups, go do push-ups, and I tried to like hammer in my mind, all right, come on. But honestly, I found that it didn't really help me because it was more of like a punishment as opposed to like learning from the actual mistake. So I stopped having that rule. But I'm not even joking. I used to have that. I used to do that. And when I first thought of doing that, I'm like, oh my god, like I'm a genius. If I if I do that every time I have a losing trade, eventually I'm going to do so many push-ups where I'm not going to even want to risk anything. All right, so here, I don't know. It's a tempting spot to go long. We're bouncing at this area with like infinite touches, and we're having a higher low here. But once again, the bars are very stacked. So let's see if it'll work out this time. If you took this higher low, everything with the context is right. The signal bar is great. Higher low. After we tested this low where we bounced incredible amount of times, but the bars are stacked. So I should have done the same thing here. Context was right. Signal bar great. Below the EMA. But bars are stacked, no trade zone. Here, bars are stacked, no trade zone. If you went long here, you might get trapped. Could work out, but we're just sideways. We're just sideways going into that. But yeah, Shin, it is tempting to go long. For sure. I was tempted to take this trade myself, but the fact that I just learned the lesson not to take a trade when the bars are stacked, I'm staying out of this. That's my rule. I don't like taking trades if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars stacked in a row. Plus, we might have another leg down. That's mainly the thing. I think we could be headed down to the lows of the day. Like I'm Warriors. Have I ever traded RTK? The Russell has had a lot of cleaner price action. No, I haven't. I haven't. I'll look into it though. They're all connected. So yeah, if you took the higher low, you'd be trapped right now. I really think we might be headed lower to the low of the day. Seek some of that liquidity. Do I have hands? As in fighting hands? Rosales, I'm reading your mind, man. I'm reading your mind. Oh, man, if I need to fight, Nikki, you're in trouble. I'll just say that. Because you know my best fighting style in a street fight, right? You run away. I'll just run away. Unless I need to throw hands. Then I'll come prepared. I appreciate that, B. No, Mumu is just my nickname. Munir is my full name. Mumu is a nickname. I don't know. When I started this channel, I had no idea where I was gonna take this channel, if I was even gonna be consistent or anything. I'm like, all right, the first thing that came to mind, Mumu trades, just because people have been calling me Mumus like since I was a kid. It's just a nickname though. B, don't be cheating on the UK trader. Hey, the UK trader saved the stream yesterday. He sent me over to Replicanto and they hooked it up with the trade copier. All right, next level to take out is 4138.5. We're a couple ticks away from that, but that'll be the swing low here, swing low here. Nicky thinks he's a funny guy, though. He's a wise guy. Nicky's a little wise guy. We know that. He's a wise guy. So who knows? Maybe if you had this channel, you would have even taken a, you could have taken a trade up here. Easy to say that as we're looking back, though, but potential spot. Confirmation of the upper trend channel. Oh yeah, see, UK Trader is here. He's got an eye on you. Hey, we're all in this community together. But man, it sucks when you have a losing trade, especially on stream. You're like, man, I shouldn't have taken that. But I mean, that's part of live streaming. Not gonna be 100%. If you're by yourself, you claim to be 100%, never take a losing trade. Definitely lying. But I mean, that's the goal. We're just transparent. And if we make it big, we're all here on that journey. We're all gonna make it big together. But yeah, I think if we break below 4138.5, then we're likely headed to the lows of the day. Okay. Whiskey in your hand, sunshine. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. My family actually just went on a vacation yesterday, and I was supposed to go with them, but I'm like, you know what? I'm in grind mode right now. I almost went to Brazil yesterday, but I was like, nah, I gotta keep grinding every day. No days off. They do have Wi-Fi in Brazil. That's true. But if I'm gonna take a vacation, I don't want to be thinking about trading. I don't want to be. It's a vacation for a reason, you know. Yes, sir, Ivan. You live for the experiences. That's why. Hey, I went to that Warriors game yesterday. That's exactly what I thought. I was like, all right, I'm about to spend $800 on a ticket, but it's for the experience, baby. I'm gonna remember that for years and years. But the way to make more of those experiences, you gotta make the money. You gotta make the money. Yeah, good seafood for sure, Greg. The food in Brazil you can't go wrong with. I grew up eating on Brazilian food. It's my favorite. But I do love some Thai food too. Shinny Shin, UK traders on vacation. All right, I feel like this downtrend is valid. We're obviously bouncing off the bottom side if it is. So we broke below the significant lows of the day thus far. But we could be, I don't know, we could be making another trap right here, or we could work back up to the top side of the channel. Oh, the Brazilian woman, Nikki. Oh, of course. Come on now. They see an American. Ooh, it's game over. Americano, Americano. Yes, Thai food. I love it. I love it. Some goodie. All right, and yep. Now we're making that trap. We're making that trap. So new high, first entry long, second entry long, failure. Oh man, what kind of day in are we in for? Are we gonna get another crazy day? We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, hey, UK trader, man, that's one part of live streaming. It's another mental battle. It's not just you against yourself anymore. It's you against everybody. Everyone watching you live. I mean, they're with you, but there's some people who are not with you. Always. But it's another factor. Like, even if I try to block out every little thing when you're trading, if you're live streaming, it's impossible. But what I tried doing, I mean, you've been live streaming longer than me. I try, whenever I'm about to enter a trade, I don't even look at the chat. I don't look at the chat or anything. I just try to focus on the screen. Because whenever I'm about to enter a trade, there's always going to be people just like swaying you in a certain direction. But it's always you, whoever's at the computer, it's you trading, not anybody else. So it's best to just block out the noise. I wonder what Harjeet is doing today without the UK trader. Wasn't Harjeet in here? No, it's Haramindir. Haramindir was in here. All right. Basically, right at the lows of the day. So, as expected. Now, do we bounce or go lower? Who knows? All right, peace out, Mr. UK trader. Have a good one. Enjoy the vacation. Enjoy the vacation. All right. Seems like we're bouncing. Do we have a wide-term downtrend, though? Tough to tell. Hearts in the chat. All right, so really kind of a no trade zone right now. Again, if we do get a higher low, it'll be a nice long setup, honestly, though. Perfectly bouncing at the lows of the day. Let's see what the daily chart looks like, though. This is the 1 minute. All right. So 1 minute, could you have gotten into a trade? Not really. Yeah, so the daily, basically right at the middle of this range we've been having for the past month. All right, now we're going higher. No higher low. Are we hitting a record, Greg? Maybe 68. I think we got over 70 yesterday. All right, no higher low. So, man, went without us once again. Why they gotta do that? Give us a chance to enter this market. If we got 64 people and 35 likes, we gotta get 60 likes. All right, Nikki, send that link. Send that link. Let me know what your mom says. Spread that link. Send it over to Reddit. Send it to some other chat rooms. Let's blow this up. Let's see in the next hour. Let's see the power of these viewers. The next hour, can we hit 100 viewers? I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Go spread the word. Reddit. Oh, this is the best day trading channel ever. Do whatever you gotta do. Social media. Montage. Mama Stonks. What's the best trade copier? I mean, I don't know about the best trade copier. So I was using the Apex copier until yesterday. I switched over to Replicanto because the Apex one was like being hacked. I don't know if they solved the issue. Maybe that's why you can't get it set up. So I switched over to Replicanto. So if you want to use my discount code, I have a 10% discount code, Mumu10 for Replicanto. Regarding the profit or loss target, Andy, I don't have one. My only target is that I take high probability setups that follow my rules. If I do that, I'm happy. But it's really just intuition. When I decide to stop trading, I stop trading. But I'm always watching the market until close every day. Okay. So we're having some hesitation at the EMA. I really don't think we're headed down anymore. Should probably at least test the high of this move before we go lower, if we go lower. All right, Greg. All right, Greg. Are you out there? Marketing agent. I wanna see the power of you guys. Show me. Can you guys get 100 viewers in here? Is that possible? $71. All right, we got 71. Are we gonna get 100 viewers in here? Send the link wherever you need to send the link to blow this up. Go comment on all these other day trading channels, Reddit posts, Facebook groups, anything. Mumu Trades live stream right now. He's about to do something crazy, tell them. Man, so this is very interesting though. So we had a nice consistent move up and we just switched on a dime. That's really not something you see too often. Love the title today. Live #1 trading channel. Hey, that's how yeah, your mindset gotta be. If you want to be #1, you gotta that's what we were saying yesterday. If you ever have a goal and you ever really want to actually get there, you gotta start thinking you're the best before you get there. Or you gotta already know and trick your mind to thinking that, all right, I am the best. Tell yourself out loud, I'm the best day trader in the world. I'm the best day trader ever live. I'm telling my mind, okay, I'm the best. All right, how am I gonna get to be the best? I'm gonna say out loud, I'm gonna write down, I'm gonna follow all my rules. I'm gonna follow all of my rules. I'm gonna take high probability setups. I'm going to skip trades that have many stacked bars. I didn't do that here. Say out loud what you need to do to get to where you want to be. Manifest it, right, Nikki? Manifest that good price action then, Richard. If you don't like it, let's say, all right, we're gonna get some good price action. Let's get some good price action. It'll help you. It'll give your brain some more a little boost in ability, to read the price action a little better. All right. Every live on YouTube just posted there. Yup. There we go, Gonzalo. 75 viewers in here. We're getting to 100 viewers in the next hour. We're gonna manifest it right now. Everybody, get on it. We're gonna prove something right now. How much energy can we muster up right now, and how many people can we bring in? Let's do it. Honestly, not a bad long setup here. Maybe. Yep, Hung. I don't know. I'm tempted to go long, honestly. I want to see another push up, though. I want to see a higher low. Yes, sir, Toadman. We're going to build it up. 100 viewers in here. Everybody, go do something to grow this channel. All right, I got to settle down now. Now I'm getting too energetic. I'm about to muster up so much energy, I'm going to start flying. You went long, Hung? I was debating. But yeah, nice trade. Nice trade if you went long here. But we're having some sellers. Yeah, second entry short. But I really wouldn't go short yet. I think we're going to test this high. I think we're going to test 41.40. 41. So we'll see. No, I think we're still headed higher. I think we're headed higher. I just don't know if there's a valid downtrend. That's the only thing. Hard to tell. Yeah, so second entry short here. New low. First entry short, second entry short. But we got another leg up here. We're potentially going to come back, test this high. So I don't want to go short on this. Might work out. Might not, though. I'm gonna get a limit order prepared. If we trap some sellers here, start going up, I'm gonna go long. That'll be that higher low. We had 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, higher low. Can we get it? Can we get it? Also be first entry long, second entry long, and new low here. First entry short, second entry short, failure. If we get a nice bullish bar here. All right, we're filled. Can we push up? Or did we get trapped? So I like the context of the trade. I like everything about the trade except we're below the EMA. But the context is definitely right. Did we jump the gun? We'll see. We're fighting. We're fighting. We're fighting. Might have got trapped. Might have got trapped. We'll see. No. But yeah, below EMA, not a good trade. Not a good trade. Come on now. So honestly, the trade to take was honestly this short. And now we're headed lower. So yeah, this short was the trade to take for sure. First entry short, second entry short, also new high. First entry long, second entry long, failure. Gotta respect that EMA. Gotta respect that EMA. So yeah, a lot of people got trapped right there. Man, I wish I had trade paralysis. It would have kept me away from those trades that I took. Rosales. I wish. I'm too trade happy. So maybe we have a wide trend. Maybe something like that. 20 push-ups. Honestly, yeah. I do need a little break. Get some oxygen in the brain. Oxygen in the brain. $20 push-ups. Do I do 20 push-ups? Yeah, below the EMA, man. All right, let's see if we see how much further we push down. Come on now. 0-2, man. Before I started streaming, it was so freaking rare for me to have 2 losses in one day. I'm gonna have to stop streaming. Yeah, I'm done streaming for the next month. Sorry guys. Peace. Have a good one. No, just kidding. It's all the mindset. It's all the mind. Take control of it. How's the game? The game was good. But yeah, obviously I wanted them to win. I wanted the Warriors to pull it out. They couldn't. It's all good. Game 2 tomorrow. I mean, it happens, Richard. It happens. So yeah, definitely a learning lesson with this trade. If it would have been a much different trade if this had triggered above the EMA. But the fact that it was already rejected from the EMA, we were going again. Yeah, restart our mind. We didn't take high probability setups. Come on now. That's all we were supposed to take. $43 thumbs up. 50,000. Let's get 50,000 likes, all right? 50K. All right, I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes. Gonna take a quick break, do some push-ups and pull-ups. Right, Nikki? Let's go. All right, I'll be back in like 5-10 minutes. All right, we back. We back. What's up, Railkun? I don't know. I can't answer that question. Someone else is gonna have to help you out. I don't know. All right, so hard to tell what's gonna win out, the downtrend or the range. Well, we're still just sideways really right now. Let's get some good movement. Why don't we? Hung, are you asking me or other people in the chat? Everyone in the chat, let them know. But I mean, it's gonna be a mix, Hung. Some people trading with one account, some people trading with multiple. I can tell you that right now. We have a measured move. Hard to tell where a measured move might be. Could be something like that. One leg down, break, new low. Another leg down, break, new low. I mean, it depends on how much risk you want to take, Hung. I mean, yeah, it's dependent on you at the end of the day. What's your attitude towards trading? How much risk you want to take? How confident you are? What your ultimate long-term goal is? Yeah, that's another thing that people don't realize is the activation fee. So if you do pass the evals and you want to pay a monthly or the lifetime fee rather than the monthly to activate the paid performance accounts, it's $150 per account. So yeah, you have to pay the upfront cost for the valuation account and then another cost once you pass the valuation. Risk nothing, win everything. You gotta risk something to win everything. But yeah, like FZN is saying, if you copy trades and it messes with your psyche, then it's not for you. It depends person to person what your risk tolerance is, what your trading style is, 100 different factors. But yeah, as Prince Marzona is saying, if you keep buying multiple accounts, keep blowing them up, and just have a cycle like that, it might turn into some gambling. So it depends on how much experience you have, how consistent you are, etc., etc. But man, I gotta step up my game with these new set of evals. Can't be taking these dumb trades. Another rule I usually stick to: the signal bar must close on the right side of the EMA. So if I'm taking a long and it's right next to the EMA, I want it to close above the EMA. If we're far away from the EMA, that's a different story. If we're down here and I'm taking a higher low, it's actually it's a better probability trade because we have room to the EMA. If we're taking a trade right into the EMA, that's a recipe for disaster, honestly. Man, what the heck, man? Why'd I do that? But see, it's good to know. All right, I didn't follow the rules. 2 losing trades. If I follow the rules, it'll most likely be winning trades. So it's got to stay patient. Let the setups come to you. It's all right, Nikki. It's all right. No, but that is a good rule. Like, in a downtrend, you want to take trades that are closing below the EMA. It's obvious. Like, but also if we're in a range and I'm predicting a reversal, it should be above the EMA. That's like the first step. All right, have a good one, Hunk. Have a good one. So here we're getting a higher low. It looks like a new low here. Went up, slight break, new high, higher low. So it's like a hidden second entry short failure. But the bars are 4 in a row, just stacked. So no trade zone once again. You're 0-2, FZen? Man, I'm 0-2. I'm 0-2 too. What is this? Honestly, I should be 0-0. I should be 0-0. I shouldn't have taken both these trades. Jumping the gun, man. Okay, so start of the day, obviously all sideways, sideways, sideways. Push up. Now we've just been trending down for the past hour and a half, really. Is it time to go back up, or is it time to just have another confirmation of this trend channel and go back down? I feel like this trend is valid though. But also, the range is valid. So, a couple conflicting patterns going on, conflicting price action. But yeah, Johnny, honestly, you're right. On FOMC day, so we have an FOMC announcement in about 2.5 hours. Sometimes it's best just wait for the announcement and trade after that. Trade in the afternoon section. Do I usually take trades ahead of 9:45 or 10 a.m. news? I mean, if there's a news announcement, I try to stay away from trades right at the announcement. But then, I mean, it depends. It depends on the volatility. Depends on the setup. Depends on a lot of things. But I mean, if it's volatile and swinging all over the place, then no, I stay out of it. I'm still thinking we might test this 4140 level. Three failed second entry shorts on this way down. I don't know. Yeah, it's interesting price action what we got going on right now. I mean, really just sideways recently. $37.5 upper channel on the 1 minute. Andy Kuka. I honestly think we're just grinding our way to the upper side of the channel. Or 4140, 41.25. We'll see. Whole year we've been sideways, pretty much. All right, what are we gonna get here? What are we gonna get here, Mr. Market? We're going down, but we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna just stay sideways. Whole year we've been sideways. Honestly, let's pull it up. What is January 1st? January 1st, we're down around this level, 3,800s, 3,900. Up, down, up. Are we gonna get another push down? But also interesting what the daily candle is doing right now. Could turn into a nice bearish bar. We'll see. When it's all said and done, what happens? Look at the monthly as I'm sure it is a disaster. I can already tell. But we're definitely just sideways right now. So honestly, we might get a lower high right here. I mean, basically what happened. Yeah, we had new low here, one leg up, break, new high, lower high right here. But we'd just be going short right into the lows of the day. Al Brooks aside, we'll be sideways most of the year. Who knows? Do you have are you able to predict the future? Definitely attempting short, but not any room to the lows at all. Middle of this sideways movement. You bought day one course. I don't know what the day one course is, Osam. Tell me, what is the day one course? Michael Chin? No, never. I've seen a handful of Michael Chin's videos, but I don't know what course he offers. All right, who knows? We might be sideways the next 2.5 hours. Let's see what we get. Day one traders. Are they the day one traders, the OG traders? Some beautiful price action we're having right now. Absolute beauty. They're not the OGs. Don't make fun of the UK trader. Who's making fun of the UK trader? Oh, they copied Mac's course? I didn't even know Mac had a course. A real beauty. What's a real beauty? I don't know what you're talking about, Nikki. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you saying that that's a saying of UK trader beauty? Oh, they got sued. I mean, I heard something regarding that like a couple years ago when they stopped making videos. Michael Chin and the other guy, Riley. You're all over the place. You said it in an accent. You did it in a British accent. Well, I do. I've always done a British accent, like, to my friends and whenever. It's not. I'm not copying the UK trader. I just sometimes do a British accent. No, I know. Chin was sued by Mac. Yeah, that's what I heard. Oh, B is British. I just sometimes do a British accent. But yeah, I know they're back. Yeah, now I've seen. I saw some suggested video where Michael Chin was making videos again, but I know they took like a 2-year hiatus. Michael Chin, Mr. Michael Chin, Gonzalo. What's up, Chris? What's up, Chris? TT. Oh, you like my voice? Really? All right. I appreciate it. Yeah, Johnny, honestly, I shouldn't have even taken these two trades I took. Better to stay out, honestly. But all right, peace out, peace out. Maybe potential short right here. Triple test. Little triple test. Chin is the brother of mouth. Yep. All right, peace, Johnny. Have a good one. Have a good one. Baby squid. Chin is a joke of a trader. Ooh, we getting dicey here now. Okay, are we gonna come back test this level? 41.40, 41.25. Chin up, chin up. Michael Chin is good. He keeps you to keep your chin up after a losing trade. I think so too, Richard. I think so too. Damn, did he really make millions though? Damn. I mean, I don't know what the math is. But the thing is, Thomas Wade teaches a similar style to Mac. How come Mac doesn't sue him? I mean, I've never looked into the actual courses, but that's the thing about like trying to patent a certain strategy or claim a certain strategy as yours. Like, price action is not unique just to Mac. Oh, is he really giving a cut to Mac? How do you know? How do you know all this info? Oh, some. What is the style? Well, I mean, it's at the end of the day, it's price action, but it's price action. You're Mac. Focusing on second entries, like with trend trades, trading range rules where you sell high, buy low. They were messaging Mac questions about. Oh, questions while selling course? How do you know that? How do you know all of this info, Nikki? How do I stay chill with live streaming? Well, no, it didn't take me years to be comfortable in front of trading. I only started live streaming like a month ago. So I'm trying to learn as we go, man. I'm trying to learn. Alright, I appreciate that, Nick. I appreciate that. But yeah, I like to keep the chart clean, minimal indicators. We just got a 21-day EMA, 2000 tick chart, S&P 500 futures, ES. Nicky Stonks is pissed though. He thinks there can only be one Nick. I might have to block Nicky Stonks. He's a wise guy. He's a little wise guy. Mac is not going to win. The second entry are not things written in stone. Not an exact scientific formula. Al Brooks is the godfather. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's price action at the end of the day. Like, you can have so many different variations of what you see on the chart, and I mean, this stuff has been existing for years and years and years. So it's hard to say a certain strategy is yours and all yours and that you started it right away. Okay, so we're getting a second entry short here off what is a key entry point. So Mac would probably tell you to take this all day, but you're basing it off the fact that your trend channel is drawn perfectly, so it's tough. It's tough. Am I trading better with live streaming? Probably not. I've been trading a lot better after I end the stream. But I don't know. I don't know. It is what it is. Okay, second entry short. Second entry short. I mean, I guess I'm trading a similar style to Pat's, but I mean, I go for 5 ticks versus 4. I scalp, but I don't use a market order. I enter with a limit order, 1 tick behind the close of the signal bar, go for 5 ticks, but most of the time, yeah, it's Pat's system. But like I mean, I say this over and over again every day. Like, even if you follow system, even if you learn from a person, no matter what happens, like when you're trading yourself, you're gonna always implement your own rules. Like, I have a specific rule where in this case, I didn't follow it. I have a specific rule where I only take trades that are on the right side of the EMA, and if they're right on the EMA or close to the EMA, I stay out of it. This one was a clear rejection of that rule. But yeah, you have to learn yourself through trial and error on what rules you really need to stick to, and really, like, learning from someone is just like the start. That's like the guideline, and then you have to implement your own rules, your own way to actually manage yourself, your emotions, because Step one is chart reading. Everything else that follows is all psychology. All right, peace out, Stonks. Peace out, Mr. Stonks. Mac already spilled the beans by saying that the market goes in pairs of 2s. But yeah, I mean, you can find a million YouTubers or a million traders who will say the same thing. Yeah, exactly, baby squid. Like, there's infinite variations of a given trading method, trading strategy. So honestly, maybe you should have pulled the trigger on this short up here. I just didn't like the fact that we had so many bullish bars right leading up to it. how long I've been trading Pats, and did I trade a different system before that? So I started trading about not quite 2 years ago. But I started trading, yeah, right around a little less than 2 years ago. Started out going for 8 ticks, scalping for 2 points, 8 tick target profit, and eventually ended up doing what I do now, where I scalp for 5 ticks and have a runner, but have pretty much stuck to it. But yeah, exactly, Osam. Mastering psychology is step 2 after you learn the basic chart reading skills, after you look at a chart, trade the chart over and over and over again for weeks, months, years. Depends how long it takes, but the psychological part of things is the 90% that really makes a difference between a successful trader and someone who's not. Nick, you prefer seeing a strong move into your setups. Typically validates a level. Oh. Alright. Interesting way of looking at it. So you're saying you liked the fact that there was a strong move before this? You like this chart? Yeah, I like to have a clean chart. I like to have a clean chart. Honestly, what I used to do is have a chart pulled up like this, the way I have it marked up, and then have another chart right next to it that's blank. Because honestly, it's good to just look at a blank chart to see what's really going on. Even though we have a downtrend drawn, really what it looks like now is just, I mean, pretty much we have drawn, it looks like a leg down, break, another leg down, and now we're just sideways. I think we're going back up to 4140.25. So really the range could just be like this. Oh, Chris, okay, you draw them with your eyes. Honestly, yeah, a lot of the time it's better to do that. I don't know, better, but it's good to not even like focus on your trends as like a locked thing on the chart, because at the end of the day, the only things that are actually printing are the bars. What you have are just drawings to help you navigate certain levels. But if I get rid of this, it looks a lot cleaner in my eyes. If I get rid of that, so now we're working towards that 4140, basically to the tick. Yeah, this is Ninja Trader. This is Ninja Trader. You draw them with your eyes. But yeah, I do like looking at a chart marked up and then consulting a blank chart. Because, I mean, but sometimes the blank chart just looks like too bare bones, you know? But now looking, I mean, if you just zoom out, look at the bare chart, it seems like the most likely scenario is that we go back up to the highs of the day, honestly. We zoom out here. But yeah, the only thing that's going to move price is price and volume. Yeah, the indicators, trend lines, they're there just to show us an illustration, to kind of just basically help our eyes interpret what's going on. How to load more data. I don't have a daily loss or profit target. So you go to properties, right click, or actually no, double click the bar, and then here load. You can load the amount of days you want to have on the chart. AI brain. No, Nikki Stonks is out of here right now. Nikki Stonks left. This is another Nick. So yeah, honestly, let's see if we have a range for the entirety of the day. Curious to where the midline is. Because remember, it is a FOMC day. Midline is right around 41, 42. We got a couple more points, but honestly, it looks like we'll probably go back up to the range, to the top side of the range. We'll see. Unless we come back to low of the day with this mini range. The range within the range. Daily profit targets can significantly hinder performance. Good to have a max loss whenever it'll be, but you're often better to trade your setups and now your dollars. Well, I mean, what I've found, I don't have a specific amount of trades I take per day, a specific amount of loss I'm willing to take, but like on a day like today, if I have one more loss, I'll probably call it a day, just because it's not great movement. I've already taken 2 trades I should have stayed out of. So the main thing I just focus on is following my rules. I've already broken my rules twice today, so I'm not doing good right now. Whether it's because of live streaming or just because of my mental state right now, not quite as sharp as I should be. So now I'm just staying extra patient. If I get a good setup, I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I'll probably trade. I mean, I'm gonna trade, at least watch the chart for the rest of the day. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep the stream going, but we'll see. So I haven't taken any payouts yet. I'm considering doing a payout right now. I'm up over 3,000 for 10 of my PA accounts. So I could take out some money, but I want to keep growing the accounts. 10 of the PAs I just started a few days ago. 10 of the PAs I've had for about a month. So I might do a payout right now, but it's like a catch-22. You take a payout and then you have less risk to trade with. You have less money to trade with. But yeah, I could just do that and then get new set of evals, but then it's like starting the process over again. What up, Lugan? What up, Slime? What up, Slime? Run with that bag and go to Bahamas. You're right. No, I'm considering it. I haven't ruled it out completely how much I'm gonna take out or when I'm gonna take the money out. Yeah, no, I want to do that as well, Lee. Take a set amount. It's just still risky if you take some out and then instead of having 3,500 to trade with, you're back to only 2,500 of risk. I know the eval is cheap, but then once you convert it to a PA, you're still paying 150 per account. Yeah, exactly, Josh. Yeah, that's the situation I'm in. Do you grow? I just need to have one good month right now. Like this month, if I make May an excellent month, get like double the accounts, I'll be chilling. Which high or low you referring to, Ty? Which high or low? Yeah, I want to keep building the cushion a little longer. And yeah, that's the thing. I'm in a different situation. I don't need the money right now. I have plenty of money myself, but I just want to build the accounts right now. Aaron. I know. That's the thing. I'm considering taking 1,000 out of each account, just 1,000. But I'll have a lot less. I'll have basically like only 2/3 to trade with. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna wait 2 more days because you can request a payout up to the 5th. So that's what I'm thinking right now. Four scalps, awesome. Damn, nice job, nice job. But basically, yeah, I have until the 5th to request that payout. So I might take 1,000 per account. Still holding runner, awesome. All right, you might get a good runner, honestly. I think we're headed to 4150. But yeah, these next few trading days are critical. Well, I gotta have some good trades. Yeah, hopefully we get to the top. Oh, so I'm getting a nice runner. Let's go. You moved your stop up to like 4140. Missed the move, Josh. Hey, it happens. It happens. I mean, there was no excellent setup. This, looking back, this is a nice trade. Failed second entry short. First entry short, second entry short, failure. But at that time, I mean, we didn't know if the range was just like that. Where did you enter, Osam? The only way we can read the chart is by looking at the left. But yeah, we definitely bounced here. And then, I guess we had all this resistance here as well, which gives us validation. 4140 level is the top. Second entry long off the 9 EMA. Okay. You went right here. Yeah, I only have the 21 EMA, so that's my method that I stick with. But didn't follow my rules here like a rookie. Like a rookie. It's alright though, it's alright. It's alright. We move on. Can we get some good price action? Catch the retrace, catch the retrace. I don't use Fibonacci levels. I don't really have much to say about them because I don't use them. But the things I do pay attention to are midlines. So, I mean, a 50% retracement, I think, is a Fibonacci level, but basically, this is a clear range we have. Clearly, the midline's coming into play. We're having some hesitation there. So let's see, do we bounce here, go back lower, test the EMA again? We'll see. But at the end of the day, if you have a method that works, it's just about sticking to the method, sticking to the trading strategy. There's a million out there. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense, Glenn. Yeah, like when the trend is strong, you're right. When the trend is very strong, it's smart to have another EMA there because a lot of the times you won't come back and get a retracement to the 21 EMA. Yeah, I don't know what's going on right now. Strong push-up break, looking to make a new high. Failed second entry short. I don't know. Can we fit a wide term trend here? Might have something like that. So I want to see a test at the EMA again, and then we can potentially go higher. Go with the long 14-day EMA. All right, all right. What level do I trim my beard? uh, I don't know. I just shave every several days. I shave. This is like a day, 2 days maybe after. I don't know. I didn't know you could tell on this terrible camera I have. But I do no. I use an electric razor. I don't use a normal razor. I use an electric one, so it gets it all the way down to like I don't know, a 1, almost a 0. Oh, you're a barber. Okay, that makes sense. Black beauty machine. But yeah, Fibonacci levels, yeah, they might seem like magic, but it's the same idea with trend lines. If everyone in the market sees the same trend, it's gonna validate it. If everyone sees the same Fibonacci level, it's gonna validate it. All right. What's going on in this market? Who knows? Who knows, Osam? Is it going to reverse here? I don't think so. I think we're headed higher. Gradually. I want to see a second entry long. Come on. Let's get a retracement. Black Beauty Machine. I definitely need a haircut though. Yeah, 4150 areas is what I'm targeting. Right around here. 4150, 4151, 4152. All right, let's see what happens. I'll be back in 10 seconds. All right. We back. Young Matthew McConaughey twin. Sheesh. Matthew McConaughey? All right. I got the Klay Thompson. The only person who said I look like Matthew McConaughey was actually my cousin, my Lebanese cousin in Lebanon. She said I look like McConaughey. I do futures instead of acting. Shit, I could be an actor too. This is just the beginning. Can I be an actor? I mean, if I wanted to. That's my mindset. I can do anything that I want to. If I put my mind to it. Maybe I will do an acting role. Coming soon, Mumu Acts. New channel. Instead of Mumu Trades, Mumu Acts. Or Mumu Raps, because we do some freestyling too. Do I speak French? No, I don't speak French. My dad speaks French though. Klay Thompson, baby. Let's go. I was at that Warriors game yesterday. Mumu, I need help. I buy at 41.35. Prices run up and you didn't take profit, then they close your trade. I mean, I mean, that's why I follow my system where I have a scalp portion and I have a runner portion. So it keeps the guesswork out of it. That's why it's tough. Yeah, it's tough to know when you should profit take. So that's why I follow my rigid system. I have a scalp portion. After the scalp portion is made, my runner goes to break even. If it runs up and then makes a swing low like right here, I'll trail my stop one tick below there, and that's my system. So I know I'm happy if I get a scalp, and I'm extra happy if I get a runner. So that's why, yeah, if you get scared after your first two losses, it's important to have a system you can fall back on where it takes the guesswork out of it, takes the psychology out of it. So yeah, if you have a system in place, just follow the system. Taking it at 41.45. Oh, you're still in the OSUM. All right. All right, let's do an experiment right here. So let's say you're in a trade right now, and you either can trail it at 41.41, so right here below this level, or you take it out 41.45. Okay? So let's see what'll win out. So you either are at 41.41 or you take it out 41.45. Let's see if it'll keep going up or if we'll break below this level. I mean, it's gonna, whichever way it goes, up or down, it's still just one trade, but it's something that I did a lot of back testing on. And in the long run, if you want to eventually catch like a massive runner every once in a while, once in a blue moon, like the only way to get that is by not closing out your trades early. So yeah, Gonzalo, I mean, if you always take profit, you can have a portion. Maybe if you have another contract, you can have a portion where you have a scalp, you have a portion where you let the runner ride, and then you have another portion where it's like intuition based. But yeah, the apex trailing threshold, trailing drawdown is something to always consider as well. Emotion out, emotion out. So yeah, if I was in a runner, I would just keep it here. I would keep it at 41.41. That's my method. Yeah, that's the thing, Gonzalo. If you can't handle a trade going in 5 points in a certain direction, taking you out, you have to employ a different method. I've had trades go 10 points in a certain direction, take me out for 0. It happens. Even I think yesterday we had a trade where we went like 5 to 7 points and then ended up not getting anything out of it, but it's just part of it. We've had 20-point runners. So the more risk you take, the more reward you're gonna have. In the long run. Okay, looks like we're trying to go lower. Maybe. I think, I don't know, it might be a little boring movement until we get that FOMC announcement. So OSUM, looks like you made the right move on this trade. If you took it out at 41.45, will we break below this double bottom? We'll see. One more tick. Not quite. Yeah, did you take it out at 41.45, Osam? Because look, I mean, if you trailed it here, if you trailed it to 41.41, you'd still be alive. It bounced right there. Obviously, we still might make another leg down, but okay, you took it out a little below 41.45. Not bad, not bad. But yeah, we might go up. I'm thinking we're just creeping our way up, creeping up our way. I'd say honestly by 11 o'clock Pacific, 2 Eastern, when the FOMC announcement is, I think we might just be around 41.50. Yeah, Powell. Come on, Powell. Messing up the trading day. It is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, this 41.40 level is now support. Appreciate it, TT. Appreciate it. Let's take a trade at 41.40. All right. If we get a nice entry, for sure. Can we get that though? Still haven't broke below that double bottom. Failure after clear retracement is what I look for. Explain it. Explain some more, Osam. Failure after clear retracement. To which level? To this midline level? Small pictures for us. Bigger pictures for the gods, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Always gotta employ your godly self when you're trading. Bless yourself. You bless the chart and give us some good setups. What is going to happen? We're just crawling right now. Holding 100 contracts? Yeah, that's the goal. 100 contracts is the goal. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, we broke that level, approaching that 21 EMA. What is this bar gonna be? What is this? How is this bar gonna turn out? It's like a hidden second entry long. Leg down, slight break, new low. If we bounce here, start going higher. What are we gonna have? What are we going to have? How was the game? The game was amazing. I mean, they lost. The Warriors lost. Well, I wanted to win. But I got to see LeBron versus Curry. That's what I wanted to see. Gonna remember that for a long time. 100%. Lisa Coleman, you came to see the cutie? Oh, shit. I'm the cutie? I thought you were the cutie. He is easy on the eyes. Oh, another female in the chat? I thought we only had guys on this channel. Who is this Lisa Coleman? No, but the game, I freaking love the Warriors. Love them. Can we get it? Can we get another chip, another championship? Remains to be seen. That's what I'm hoping for. Sheesh, we got 64 likes, 80 viewers. Woo. Yeah. Rosales sees through the bots. I almost got tricked. Do I have basketball hands? Of course. I used to play basketball. I played basketball from like 3rd grade through freshman year of high school. But I was the Draymond Green on the court with a little Klay Thompson and Gary Payton. So I was always the one running around the court, just giving the most effort, getting every rebound. And then I would shoot the threes here and there too, but no ball handling skills at all. No ball handling, just incredible aggressive defense, incredible effort, and then some 3-point shooting ability. What about gold futures? I only trade ES futures. I'm easy on the eyes and I'm hungry. The Wire. Who is this? Do I punch my teammates? Of course. If they need to get in line, I'm gonna smack them. Nah, just kidding. You're a LeBron fan, Navo, so you're rooting for him? Yeah, I mean, that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see Curry LeBron in this series, so I'm excited for the next few games. But I'm a Curry guy. I'm a Curry guy. I have to go with Curry. No, I'm not that tall. I'm like 6 feet, 6'1". Richard, you took that second entry short. What's second entry short? Up here? Did you consider this as a second entry short? Don't be Rosales. What, with the bots comment? La Rebecha. Oh, don't be jealous, Rosales. Sheesh. All right, if any of these females are real, go send me a DM on Instagram. Send me a DM on Instagram. Let's see. There's my Instagram right there. Do I have NBA hands? Of course, I got. He has a perfect face shape and a great attitude. Oh my god. Who are... Oh, I'm getting some trading honeys. For sure. Oh man, I already got 4 in my Instagram DMs. Woo! Prove you're real, Lara Becca. Tell me what a second entry long is. Yeah, send me some Target gift cards. Come on now. So what I do outside of trading. So one of the main things I like to do, I mean, something I've been doing for many years. I run competitively, so I'm running in different international events right now. I ran in college, ran at UCLA on the track and cross country team. Now I'm running representing Lebanon. So I'm doing some international events. I was at the World Cross Country Championship in Australia in February. I was in Italy last year for the under 23 Mediterranean Track Championship. So that's one of the main things I do. Other than that, I've been getting into golfing a good amount recently. I'm not very good. I love playing basketball too with my buddies. Yeah, so it's, not a national team. I guess it is, but yeah, I'm sponsored by a Lebanese club. So the federation, with the club, they'll send me to different events. He's handsome and smart. Ooh, man, I'm getting some good compliments today. Yeah, no, golf is amazing. I love golf. Something's wrong if you start running. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough training by yourself though. So I've been training by myself recently. So it's a battle every day to get out of that door. Start running. But part of that mental toughness you got to develop. You're a Diamond Siege ranked player now. What game? What game? Rainbow Six. Never heard of it. Man, Nick, what do you put your lungs through? How you doing? Mr. Snake Trader? So, purely price action. Focus on Pat's trading method most of the time. That's where I started learning trading. But it's focused on like second entries. Alright, peace out, B. Peace out. Mainly second entries with trend trades. Range rules where look to sell high, buy low. What's up, Mr. Male Gossip? What's up? Oh, gotta get your greens? Shit. The greens aren't bad, Mr. Nick. Sometimes you gotta relax, sometimes. Nick will teach you. I'm looking at your channel. If you want the perspective you can't find anywhere else, you found the spot open to all discussions. I'm the same way. Okay, so Pat's trading is another YouTuber. It's PATS trading. That's the method I follow. That's the name of the guy I used to follow. But it stands for price action trading system. But I'm a price action trader. So all I use is the 21-day EMA, 2000 tick chart. That's what we're looking at. and I look for with trend second entries. So if I get like a two-legged pullback in an uptrend, I'm gonna look to go long. Obviously, there's a lot more to it, but this is the basic stuff. Oh no, not Pat Weiland, not Pat Weiland. I don't know much about Pat Weiland. You're ugly, but you're paid. All right. Oh, you have a fishing channel, but okay. Fishing channel. Am I gonna trade FOMC? I'm gonna trade whatever the market gives me. I'm gonna trade everything. So yeah, I'll trade the FOMC. I don't know if I'll be streaming until then. But yeah, I think sport definitely contributed to my mindset when it comes to trading. Because running is a lot like a meditation. Like when you're running, you just have to clear your mind, go with the flow, and basically just focus on something that's painful. Like you have to endure a lot as a runner. So it gives you a good mental callus, which you need when you're trading. Pat is a hater. Why is Pat a hater? Oh hell yeah, Gonzalo. Yeah, he posted in Pat Weiland. Tell all Pat Weiland's viewers to come on to Moo Trades. So snake trader, I'll tell you a little bit about my journey. Been trading for about 2 years. First year, lost a lot of money. Jumped into it, not following any advice. Trading with my own money, 10 contracts of the ES, and was just like, okay, I've watched these YouTube videos. I can just hop into it. I don't need any sim trading. I don't need anything. I'm just gonna go off the bat. So obviously, it was a losing strategy. So after about 1 year, a little over a year, I started making my money back. So now, been profitable for a few months. And then only recently, about a couple months ago, started using Apex. So stopped using my own money. Started using Apex. Oh, Pat hates other YouTubers. Shit. But yeah, Nick, I literally first day, I literally sim traded maybe for a couple days, and then went in literally like I was risking thousands because I was a dummy. But I started literally first day, maybe it wasn't 10 contracts, maybe it was 5, but like I at some point I was using 10 contracts early. Like I'm talking about like first few days, literally. I was crazy. Learned the hard way though, so I've been through it all. Yeah, Palm Springs, Mr. Rucker, Mr. David Rucker. Let's go golfing, man. Should be big balls. You gotta have some big balls if you're gonna trade. For sure. Mia Khalifa and Bella Danger approve of this channel. I hope so. I would hope so. But Mia Khalifa, I'm Lebanese. She's Lebanese. She got disowned. She can't go back to Lebanon anytime. Damn, Nick, that's the way to do it. 3 months building a system. Now you autopilot your trades. How do you autopilot your trades? You got my golf. Mr. Lee. Yeah, I think we could rock it up for sure, Osam. Test the highs of the day. We'll see. Man, we're gaining subscribers like crazy the past couple days. We're at under 600 yesterday. Did I learn with Pat's manual? To be honest with you, I only learned from watching the videos. I never bought any course or anything like that. I just started watching videos. I mean, I had been watching videos for many years and then started trading eventually. But I mean, I just learned from trial and error, really, man. Watching videos, trial and error, trial and error, trial and error every single day, studying the charts. So I started watching Pat's trading, so price action trading system on YouTube for a few years, and then I only recently discovered Thomas Wade maybe about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, I don't know. So yeah, I watch both. Hey, I appreciate it, Lee. Good things happen to good people. Good things happen to good people. We're always trying to attract that good energy, put that good energy back out. So yeah, Southside Crypto, can you buy my course? I'm gonna start offering a course for you. Nah, no course from me. But okay, you discovered Bye Bye Money and Wade. I haven't watched any Bye Bye Money, but I think Thomas Wade is a really good teacher. Yeah, for sure, baby squid. That's the thing. Like Pat's trading, he marks an incredible amount of trades during a given day, but for a beginner, I don't think it's good to look at that many setups because it's just going to be like conflicting rules all over the place when you're just trying to learn. So that's why I say, like, I only really learned once I started I learned from actually trading on the chart. You're not going to learn from just watching videos. Nah, Josh, honestly, you just have to watch video after video after video, like everything. Like you can't just watch one video and expect it to change the way you trade. All right, 3 hours on the stream. Is the system works with NASDAQ? Well, I mean, the system works with crypto, works with forex, works with S&P 500, stocks, futures, whatever. Yeah, people use the same system with NASDAQ. All right, I'm going to end the stream there. See y'all tomorrow morning. We're going to be back. We're going to have some good trades tomorrow. No more of these risky trades. Oh. Nah, I know what you meant, Josh. But I don't really know a certain starting point. Yeah, just price action. All right. Peace out. Appreciate the and some comments. All right. See ya, Mr. Snake, Gonzalo, Baby Squid, Josh, Lee, TT, FZen, Osam, Josh again. Man, we got 76 likes. Let's go, baby. All right.